Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up automatic backup using a cloud storage service, a reliable way to keep your customized files safe and accessible. With automatic backup setup, you never have to worry about losing your customized vocabulary. You can set this up with Dropbox, Google Drive, and iCloud Drive. For this tutorial, we'll be using iCloud Drive, but feel free to use whichever cloud service you prefer. Before we start, make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's go through the steps to set up automatic cloud backup. In the app, select Vocab, and select Choose New Vocab. Then choose Menu. Select Automatic Backup. Enter a backup folder name. You must enter and save a folder name before you can proceed. Enter letters and numbers only, no special characters or spaces. Select Save. Select a cloud service to link it to the app. If you're using Dropbox or Google Drive, you will be prompted to leave the app and log into your cloud service and follow the instructions on screen. Select Done and that's it. Your customized vocabulary file will now automatically back up to the cloud when connected to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AAC tips and how-tos. See you next time.